Learn English to Gujarati relationship words.
sambandh,
2.
samādhān.
Welcome to the drama club. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati with a tiny emotional soap opera. Do not worry, this one has less crying and more useful vocabulary. Welcome, brave language explorer. Today you will learn 8 powerful words about human connection, messy feelings, and that classic situation where someone says, I am fine, while very clearly not being fine. Our cast includes a shaky relationship called
sambandh,
a sweet friendship called
mitrata,
a practical partnership called
bhagidari,
a loud conflict called
sangharsha,
strong trust called
vishwas,
sneaky jealousy called
ईर्ष्या,
painful separation called
अलगाव,
and peaceful reconciliation called
samādhān.
Let us begin before the characters start arguing without us. Meet the words. First, meet the main vocabulary clearly and simply. Say each Gujarati word aloud after you hear it. Relationship is
sambandh,
think of a bond between people. Friendship is
mitrata,
the warm, loyal kind, not the kind where your friend steals your fries. Partnership is
bhagidari,
2 people sharing work, ideas, or goals. Conflict is
sangharsha,
that tense clash when nobody wants to say, you know what, you are right. Trust is
vishwas,
the invisible glue of good human connection. Jealousy is
ईर्ष्या,
that green little monster wearing emotional sneakers. Separation is
अलगाव,
when people or things move apart. Reconciliation is
samādhān.
the beautiful moment after conflict when peace returns. A very human story. Now let us put the words into a funny little story. Listen for the Gujarati words and notice how they fit naturally. Meena and Jay started with a strong
mitrata,
They laughed, shared tea, and agreed that pineapple on pizza was a dangerous social experiment. Over time, their
sambandh,
grew stronger because it was built on
vishwas,
Then they opened a tiny snack shop together. Suddenly, they had a business.
bhagidari,
2. Everything went well until one day Jay got praise from a food blogger for the magical samosa strategy. Meena smiled outside, but inside a small cloud of
ईर्ष्या,
floated in. That jealousy turned into a big
sangharsha,
They argued about recipes, money, and who had moved the good spoons. Soon there was emotional
अलगाव,
They stopped talking, stood in opposite corners, and communicated only through dramatic eyebrow movements. But after a long conversation, honest apologies, and one peace offering made of hot jalebi, they reached
samādhān,
their shop survived, their
bhagidari,
improved, and their
mitrata,
became stronger than ever. Useful sentences you can borrow. Great, now take these ready-made sentences. These are the kind of lines that make you sound thoughtful and impressively calm. Their relationship grew stronger over time. In Gujarati,
સમય જતાં તેમનો સંબંધ વધુ મજબૂત બન્યો.
friendship grows with trust. In Gujarati,
મિત્રતા વિશ્વાસ સાથે વધે છે.
trust is important in a partnership. In Gujarati,
ભાગીદારીમાં વિશ્વાસ મહત્વનો છે.
there is a conflict between the 2 groups. In Gujarati,
બે જૂથો વચ્ચે સંઘર્ષ છે.
jealousy can damage a friendship. In Gujarati,
ઈર્ષ્યા મિત્રતાને નુકસાન પહોંચાડી શકે છે.
after the separation, they lived in different cities. In Gujarati,
અલગાવ પછી તેઓ અલગ શહેરોમાં રહેતા હતા.
reconciliation brought peace to the family. In Gujarati,
સમાધાને પરિવારમાં શાંતિ લાવી.
mini dialogue. Here comes a short dialogue. It is dramatic, but still cheaper than therapy. A.R.
સંબંધ,
feels strange lately. What happened? B. I think some.
ઈર્ષ્યા,
And a lot of stress created.
સંઘર્ષ,
A. Can we rebuild?
વિશ્વાસ,
B. Yes. If we talk honestly, we can avoid more.
अलगाव,
A. Good. I want.
समाधान,
Not another week of silent spoon-related tension. B. Same. And whether this is friendship, business, or full snack shop.
भागीदारी,
We need teamwork. A. Deal. Long live.
मित्रता,
And long live labeled spoons. Quick memory tricks. Let us make the words sticky in your memory. The sillier the image, the better your brain behaves. 4.
संबंध,
Imagine two people connected by a glowing rope. 4.
मित्रता,
Imagine two best friends sharing tea and laughing too loudly. 4.
भागीदारी,
Imagine two goats in business suits opening a bakery together. 4.
संघर्ष,
Imagine two cats fighting over one chair like world leaders at a summit. 4.
विश्वास,
Imagine a handshake glowing like a golden bridge. 4.
ईर्ष्या,
Imagine a tiny green monster whispering, "Why does she get the bigger samosa?" 4.
अलगाव,
Imagine two chairs slowly sliding away from each other. 4.
समाधान,
Imagine two angry people suddenly hugging while a violin plays far too dramatically. Your fast quiz. Time for a quick check. Answer before I do, and enjoy the tiny feeling of victory. What is the Gujarati word for relationship?
संबंध,
What is the Gujarati word for friendship?
मित्रता,
What is the Gujarati word for partnership?
भागीदारी,
What is the Gujarati word for conflict?
संघर्ष,
What is the Gujarati word for trust?
विश्वास,
What is the Gujarati word for jealousy?
ईर्ष्या,
What is the Gujarati word for separation?
अलगाव,
What is the Gujarati word for reconciliation?
समाधान,
Wrap up and keep going. You did it. You just learned emotional vocabulary with a little drama and, hopefully, zero actual family arguments. Today you practiced relationship,
संबंध,
friendship,
मित्रता,
partnership,
भागीदारी,
conflict,
संघर्ष,
trust,
विश्वास,
jealousy,
ईर्ष्या,
separation,
अलगाव,
and reconciliation.
समाधान.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words aloud, use them in your own sentences, and come back tomorrow so your Gujarati grows stronger day by day. You are doing great.